Hey guys, in this video I am going to talk about another update of GTA 5 version 1.8. Guys, before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. It will not take you much time, but it will a lot mean for me. And also tap on the bell icon so you will never miss any update. Now without doing any further delay, let's get started. So guys, all the informations are with the screenshots of the creator's Twitter account. But some updates are also from the fans. So guys, as you know that in the previous video I have given you the proof of multiplayer option. So multiplayer mode is about to come and we will be able to play this game online. The second one is that there will be a nitro in your car. That means speed of the car will be increases over 200 km per hour. The third one is that in multiplayer mode controls will be also changed. The fourth one is the spider climb. You can also see the screenshot. The fifth update is that map will be added which is demanded by the people. So here is the map which you are seeing on your screens. And the high rated update is the rain. Yes guys, rain will be also added in version 1.8. You can also see the sample picture on your screen. And let me show you the controls. Exact same controls you will see in version 1.8. And cheats will be activated with the help of your mobile. So this update is going to be crazy, and if you want to download this version early after its release, turn the notifications on of my channel. So guys, that's all for the video and I will see you in the next one.